Building muscle and getting an aesthetic body is actually very simple. If you want to build an aesthetic body, lean, defined, and balanced, it all comes down to 4 key steps: mindset, training, diet, and recovery. Stick with me, and I'll break it down step by step so you can start building today. Step 1, mindset. First, fix your mindset. This isn't about quick results or motivation. It's about showing up every week, no matter what. If you stay consistent, the results will come. Discipline beats motivation always. Step 2, training. To build an aesthetic physique, you need a smart and structured training plan. The most effective routine? A push-pull leg split, also called PPL. You train 6 days a week, rest on Sundays, then repeat the cycle. Simple and effective. In push day, chest, shoulders, triceps. Include exercise like bench press, incline dumbbell press, lateral raises, overhead dumbbell press, tricep pushdowns. In pull day, back and biceps. Include exercise like pull-ups, barbell rows, lat pull-downs, dumbbell curls, hammer curls. In leg day, quads, hamstrings, glutes, calves. Add exercise like squats, Romanian deadlifts, walking lunges, calf raises. Core work, 2 to 3 times a week. Hanging leg raises, planks, cable crunches. Now this is the most important part of the video. If you're serious about building muscle, these principles will make or break your progress. 1. Master proper form. Before chasing heavy weights, focus on executing each movement with correct form. Watch tutorial videos or ask a knowledgeable person at your gym to review your technique for every exercise. 2nd, track your workouts, never guess your progress. Write down your exercises, weights, reps, and sets every session. Tracking ensures accountability and helps you make consistent gains. 3. Control every rep. Perform each repetition slowly and with control. Aim for 1 second on the contraction, lifting, and 2 to 3 seconds on the eccentric, lowering phase. Quality reps build quality muscle. 4. Train close to failure. To stimulate real muscle growth, you must train close to failure in every set, meaning you should stop only when you can no longer complete another clean rep. For most exercises, 2 to 3 challenging sets are enough. The final set should push you to true failure with good form. 5. Progressive overload is key. Your goal is to improve slightly each session, whether by increasing reps, sets, or just performing the movement with better form. Small improvements over time lead to big gains. 6. Avoid junk volume. More isn't always better. Doing too many sets or exercises can lead to junk volume, extra work that adds fatigue without meaningful results. Stick to 2 to 3 effective exercises per muscle group per workout, and focus on intensity and form over quantity. 7. Use machines to isolate muscles. Don't fall into the trap of thinking only free weights are effective. Machines are excellent for isolating specific muscles and maintaining tension throughout the movement, especially useful for beginners. 8. Don't follow trainers blindly. Not all gym trainers have your best interest in mind. Some may not prioritize your long-term progress. Always do your own research and understand why you're doing each exercise. Step 3. Diet. To build muscle and stay lean, your diet needs to support your goals. You can't out-train a bad diet. Eat 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. Stick to whole foods, lean meats, rice, oats, fruits, vegetables. Add eggs and milk. Cheap and great for muscle building, take creatine daily, 3 to 5 grams. If you're cutting, eat in a slight calorie deficit. If you're bulking, eat in a slight calorie surplus. Follow the 80-20 rule, mostly clean food with a bit of flexibility, and don't forget to drink plenty of water. Step 4, recovery. You don't grow during workouts, you grow after them. Recovery is what turns effort into real results. Focus on these basics. Sleep, 7 to 9 hours a night. Take 1 to 2 rest days each week. Light activity like walking or stretching on off days. Keep your stress low. It affects your energy, hormones, and recovery. Stay consistent. Small wins every day lead to big results over time. Stick to this system and the results will follow. Don't chase perfection, chase progress. Drop a comment if you've got questions and subscribe for more no BS fitness content. And lastly, watch this next to boost your looks instantly.